Hey Coachity family, it's Mrs. Ibañez here. I wanted to welcome you all to Open House, our first ever virtual open house. Feel free to check out our video on all things second grade and then hop over and take a look at some of the videos that your students' teachers have filmed for you and get a little familiar with what's going on in their classes. As shared in our intro, I do want to cover a couple of things that students are going to be using and accessing daily. So I'm hoping that our second grade website is something that's very familiar to both families and students. This is going to be a page that students do visit and do utilize daily. So from this point, if you're not familiar, this can be found on coachity.aps.edu. We have family pages, and within that, the second grade website is there. Students will navigate from that point over to our class page, and it is under Mrs. Ibañez, and that is one of our places that we are going to be finding the majority of our content and know what's coming and where to find things. So first things first, I do want to point out that our virtual class schedule is available. This is typically updated every Sunday, and I do encourage both families and students to check it out Sunday evenings so you kind of have an idea of what to expect for the following week. So that is one thing that I do want to share. If you're noticing that your schedule is not updating, one thing that you may need to do is refresh the page. So if you click on your reload wheel, that will typically give you the fresh page with any new changes for the upcoming week, along with fresh links to meetings and all of that. So please encourage your students to get into that habit. Refreshing daily is just a good habit to get into, but if students are not doing that at least once a week, it's definitely just good practice. So taking a look at what a day will look like for students, every day we start our day at 8 o'clock. So what we did in creating the schedule was really try to closely mirror what a day at school would look like for students, even learning at home. So what we're asking is that students work to follow the schedule as closely as possible. At 8 a.m. we are meeting, so prior to that, students should be eating breakfast and getting ready for the day just like they would do if we were coming in person. At 8 a.m. again, we do meet. Students can just click on class meeting and all of these boxes are linked up and we'll take them to where we need them. So you'll notice that throughout our day, students will be meeting 7 different times live. The rest of their time will be working independently through Class Dojo. So typically across our lessons, we will have about half time, 30 minutes or so, where we are working together as a group. And then the other 30 minutes, students are expected to complete work in Dojo or utilize one of the platforms that's listed on our schedule. So for instance, if we take a look, Capit Practice is something that is listed along with Zern. Both of those can be found on our learning links, and students can access both through the website. So that being said, that kind of covers our live meetings. In live meetings, we do cover content that students will need to know to complete work in Dojo. So I can't stress enough how important attendance is. If students aren't making live lessons, then it does make it really difficult to complete work. So I again encourage you to check out our schedule and help your students start getting into routines. The other thing I want to share in terms of these live meetings, oftentimes we will need supplies, and we did provide students with supplies at supply pickup a couple weeks ago. So what students should have taken home are supply bags that look something like this. They will have 2 separate folded pieces of construction paper that are housing worksheets and supplies that they will need for class. So that being said, one thing that I did share with students, a really good place to keep supplies is in a backpack that can kind of serve as a cubby and go with them to and from wherever they may be doing their learning. Students do require supplies almost daily, so it's very important that they're being responsible and making sure that they know where things are, that way they are prepared for class. Other than that, the other thing that I do want to draw attention to is our specials. Specials come at 110 daily, and attendance is also taken in these classrooms as well. One thing to note is that these classes are different from the live class that students are typically used to jumping into. So they will have to click on the specials links at that specific time. Because these teachers are working with other classes, they will not have their classes opened early, and students can only access them at the time specified on the schedule. So please remind your students, if we're having any issues with logging in, check the time and see if we're a little bit early, and that sometimes will fix that problem rather quick. Last but not least, one other thing that I do want to bring attention to is our Coachity family page can be accessed directly from our class page. So any other teachers that students will be seeing throughout the day, or if our specials links aren't working, they can also be found on their specific websites and accessed through there. So students are free to use the Coachity family page to hop over to another teacher's page, and that's kind of a good habit to share with your students and something that they can utilize as well. I think that about covers it. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out via Class Dojo. You can send me a message, or I'm happy to set up an appointment with you during office hours from 2 to 2:30 or at your convenience. And I look forward to continuing to work with students and families as we navigate our second grade year. Thank you.